PS5 how to install games. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can install games on PS5, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to install games on your PS5, all you have to do is, there are two ways to do this. One is actually you can use a physical CD or DVD drive if you have them on your PlayStation. If you don't, then you can also choose to download the game for free if it's a free game, or simply go ahead and purchase it. If you go to your PlayStation store, you can simply select a game that you would like. Many of the games are also free, so if you want a free game, of course you can select that, and once you select those options, you will be able to hit the download option and then begin playing that game. This way you will be able to install games on PS5. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.